Hi chickies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is a PR haul and unboxing. Most likely you guys will see me review these products in upcoming videos, as well as for Vlogmas, where I will be uploading a video for the 31 days of December. In case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you would please join the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. First, just go through this box right here. I've already unboxed a lot of these items, but we're just gonna quickly go through some of the stuff from Pixi by Petra, and I absolutely adore this little makeup case. In here we have a bunch of the Pixi Glow Tonic, very tiny and petite, and then they also included, which I've never tried before, Rose Tonic, which I've been super curious about. I absolutely just love how it's in a very small little tiny container. I thought that was so cute. Thank you so much to Pixi Beauty, JUNO&co, and this is the new microfiber velvet sponge. I have two of them. Now I have watched some videos on these and was super curious on, you know, the texture, so I will definitely be switching out my current sponge and trying this out. Thank you so much to JUNO&co from Derma E. This was their October box, which says hello to beautiful skin, and I am a huge fan of this line. I actually use their Peptide serum. So this is the Derma E Advanced Peptide and Collagen Moisturizer Firming Derma E Eye Lift. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. I think this will be a great nighttime moisturizer, as well as a really great under eye cream. A few items from It Cosmetics. So I actually have a backup of the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I absolutely love the Confidence in an Eye Cream. It's like one of my favorites. Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer, which I think they have reformulated, if I'm not mistaken. Celebration Foundation, full coverage anti-aging hydrating powder foundation. This is in medium. Ooh. So this looks like it might be a little bit too light for me. I am kind of guessing right now I'm still medium tan, but this would be a good shade for me during the winter season. Heavenly Luxe brush. Can't wait to use this. This looks like it's going to be great for applying under eye concealer. So thank you so much to It Cosmetics for sending those over. I have a couple of items here from Essence Cosmetics. The Pure Nude Cosmo Lighter, Pure Nude Sun Lighter. Essence Prime Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray, which contains coconut water. It's moisturizing and energizing. My skin lately has been super dry, just with the whole weather change. So even though I am oily, other parts of my face I've noticed are really dry. Super Curl Volume Mascara. It's supposed to be eye-opening. Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel. I'm with the Band Eyeshadow Palette, which I have not reviewed yet. I'm really curious how this is going to work out, because I love the theme of this, because it has a lot of 90s theme band names. Then I've already reviewed this palette, which I'm going to link right up here in the card area. It's the Essence Spice Up Your Life eyeshadow palette, which is definitely one of my favorites. Glow-to-Go highlighter palette. You guys know I love me some highlights. It's called the Million Nude Faces Eyeshadow Box 01. Be Beautiful. In Love with Rose. This is called the Happily Ever After palette. Mermaid Eyeshadow Box 03. My Shell is My Castle. The My Only One eyeshadow palette with 22 eye-catching looks. So this is kind of like an all-in-one eyeshadow palette. I believe this is $14. Volume Hero Mascara Power Black. The Essence Brow Marker Semi-Permanent. Ooh, you guys know I love brow products. Tinted lip colors. Really curious about this. We have two more items in here. Essence Hollow Wow Sparkle Stick. Ooh, I want to see what this is like. That's pretty. It's like a duochrome, like a peachy color. It's actually really pretty. Glitter stick. This is in the shade Rose Gold. Thank you so much to Essence for sending over those goodies. Pop Beauty. So this first one, I'm really curious about these. Definitely going to be using these in upcoming makeup tutorials. Face Contour Palette. I guess this contains a highlighter, a blush, and also a sculpt shade. This is supposed to have a luminous effect. Ooh. That's pretty. Those are gorgeous. Setting 101 setting powder palette. Contour 101, and this is the matte effect. This looks pretty good too. I like the colors in here. Then we have the Zero Shine Prime. It's a mattifying primer. Blot out. I'm definitely all about primers that mattify, so I'm really excited to try this out. Now we actually have another package from Pop Beauty that just came in the mail today. It is so cute. It looks like a lipstick. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is the Pop Beauty. Pop Beauty is all about expressing yourself through color. I'm so thrilled to team up with these ultra talented influencers as they add their individual unique taste and style to one of the best-selling products. Perma Pout Matte Lip Paints. This is Amy De La Torre's line. This is Meg's Cahill. Then we have here Victor Ramos. Open one of these. Ooh, this is pretty. It has a doe foot applicator. Ooh, doesn't really seem to have a scent, so I'm really curious about these. I really want to do a lip swatch video on this, so definitely keep an eye out for that. Congratulations to Amy, Megs, and Victor on this collaboration with Pop Beauty. This is so cool. Last but not least, we have a box here which is from Profusion Cosmetics. So this is going to be part of their holiday collection. It's available at Target as well as online profusioncosmetics.com. They always have the best packaging. Mixed Metals palette, and this is the Pink Sparkle palette. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. 10 color eye and face palette, and then it comes with, it looks like this is a glitter. That is absolutely beautiful. I love the packaging on this. They are killing it with this packaging. Profusion Bare Eyes eyeshadow makeup case. They look absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. 3-piece velvet lip kit, and this one is called Fierce. It definitely does look fierce. Contains a liquid lipstick, a lip liner, and a lipstick. We have a highlight and contour kit. I absolutely love their contour kits. It's like one of my favorites. I actually had to put that away because I was using it so much. It contains a highlighter, Opal Glow, Vanilla, Peach Light, and then you have your contours down here. Lastly, we have their eyeshadow palette. This is called Wanderlust, which looks beautiful. It has those jewel tones. You have some purples. This looks gorgeous. Excited to kind of curate a look using this palette. Thank you so much to Profusion Cosmetics for sending over those goodies. Let me know down below what you guys would like to see me review and test out. I would love to get your feedback. So if you chickies enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you chickies so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for a brand new video. Mwah.